Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1. This ZL1 comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, your custom black Chevy decals, 20 by 11 inch aluminum wheels in the back, and 20 by 10-inch aluminum wheels in the front. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system, our Recaro seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating, our push to talk, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.